Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mufassel Insights, and this is Mufassel in front of you. Hope that all of you are doing great. And today's video is going to be very special. And today, as you can see this, I have a guest for all of you. He is my friend Mr. Arafat, and he is so much interested to make this video with me in English language. Hey Arafat, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today, why are we came here?
I have came here to see this ponds.
Okay, that's a really amazing. That's a really beautiful place. And what about your feeling? How do you feel in this time?
I feel very good.
Okay, that's
Everything
great.
is nice.
Nice, yes. This weather is really amazing.
Amazing.
And there have a probability to find rain, right?
Yes.
Okay, and also this weather, as you can see, this weather is amazing. This natural beauty is amazing, and also this ponds is amazing. This mans are amazing.
3 ponds.
All is amazing. Really?
Absolutely.
All is amazing. Okay, have a great day. Allah Hafiz.